Sturgis Credit Repair is a 5-star rated online credit repair company. We help people just like you build or rebuild their credit scores. If you have no credit history, we offer products to help you build credit history so that you never have to depend on anyone co-signing for you. If you have bad credit, enroll into our service today and allow us to work on the negative items affecting your credit scores. We take no money up front, so start our service today for free. You'll get updated through your online account as well as receiving updates through your email. For those who are trying to buy a home, we're partnered with multiple real estate agents and loan officers who are ready to assist you with your goals. If you are a real estate agent, loan officer, or anyone dependent on customers with good credit, create a free partner account with us today. You can manually send or receive clients through your online account as well as track their progress before they go to someone else. Visit our website to learn more about our services. All right, in this episode, we're going to talk about how to avoid credit card interest. Okay, so I had somebody reach out to me, I guess this was maybe on Friday of last week, and their email kind of went like, hey, I have a credit card, I pay my bills on time and I pay the balances on time, but I'm still getting charged credit card interest every single month. What can I do? So I kind of investigated more into this client's situation, and when he meant he paid his bill on time, he's paying the minimum payment. And of course, the banks want you to pay that $25 or $30 minimum balance because they're charging you interest. So for example, if I gave you $1,000 and I say, hey, only pay me back $30 a month until this $1,000 is paid for. However, I'm charging you 25% interest. Each month, that balance is not paid in full. So why on earth would you pay me $30 and risk the chance of never paying back this $1,000 or paying back $3,000 or $4,000 when you only borrow $1,000. So that's what credit card companies are doing when they give you this monthly statement and they tell you only pay the minimum balance, and you're fine. So when that person said that they're paying their bills on time or their credit card bill on time, they're really not. They're just getting by with the minimum payment. So that takes us to number one. Spending. Okay, so you only swipe your credit card for the amounts that you can afford to pay off within 30 days. So if you got a $5,000 credit card, don't go book a $5,000 vacation to Las Vegas or Miami or Los Angeles, and you can't pay back that $5,000 within 30 days or by the due date of next month. So you only use your credit card for things like groceries or gas just to get the free cash back reward points if your credit card offers reward points. If it doesn't and you only have a credit card to help build your credit, don't use it at all. Just let it report every month. You do not have to use your credit card to have it report to your credit report, because when you pay your balance off in full each month, it reports at a $0 balance regardless. So if you know you can't afford to pay off your card in time, or you don't want to get trapped into paying interest rates, just don't use the card at all. Just let it report every month as paid in full, and you won't fall into that interest rate trap. So I have about 15 credit cards and I haven't paid $1 or 1 penny actually in interest since I've had them open and known how to use them correctly. So number one, only spend what you can afford to pay off by the due date. That brings us down to number two, pay the account in full. Do not get stuck in that minimum balance trap. So you have a $2,000 credit card and you spend $1,000 of it, you get that statement in the mail, or you get that email online statement, paperless statement, and then say, hey, only paid $30 and we'll report this as paid on time until next month. And then you just keep doing that over and over and over. And now that $1,000 turns into $5,000 2 years from now because you keep paying $25 or $30 a month. So you pay your balance off in full. So only spend what you can afford to pay off within 30 days or by the due date, and but you want to make sure you pay off the balance in full and not only pay the minimum balance. Number three, this really isn't too important, but this is more for your credit reporting. So you want to pay attention to your billing statement date. So this is the date that the bank reports your balance to the credit bureau. So a lot of people think, hey, I paid my balance in full yet a balance is still reported to the credit bureaus. Why is this? That's because your due date is usually about 3 to 7 days before your statement date. And the statement closing date is when the bank reports your balance to the credit bureaus. So if your due date is the 15th and your statement closing date, let's say, is the 18th, then you pay your card off in full by the 15th, so the bank isn't charging you interest, and then you keep that card at zero until after the 18th. That way on the 18th, the bank reports your balance at zero. So on the 19th, you can start back using your card. So you pay in full by the due date. Statement closing date or statement date is just for credit reporting. Number 4, check your account. A lot of people get credit cards. They don't download the app. They forget they have a credit card. They don't know how to pay their credit card. They just end up missing payments. This is a disaster. So number 4, you always want to log into your account once a week. Even if I don't use credit cards, because some of my credit cards have annual fees throughout the year. So I'm not sure which month those annual fees are. I still log into my credit card accounts at least 2 to 3 times a month on a regular basis, just to make sure I don't have a balance on there. I haven't had any type of fraud. Somebody can hack your credit card account. They can use your card at a gas station somewhere. So even if you have not used your credit card, still check your credit card accounts in case there's any type of annual fee or balances on there and you don't miss a payment. And then you get charged interest on that random, payment or annual fee that was on there. That's how they get you as well. So if you follow all 4 of these steps, only spend what you can afford to pay off, pay your balances in full, keep the balance at zero until after the statement closing date, and check your account on a regular basis, you are never going to get charged credit card interest, because interest rates on credit cards are like 25 or 27%, and they are hard to pay back off. So just follow those 4 steps and you would never get charged interest on your credit card balance. If this video helped you, be sure to like it, comment, share it, and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks for watching.